Assalamu alaikum. This is Gulfa, and we are going to rip thing apart in this channel. And I have found this one, this keyboard, that I am going to break it or open it and see how this will work. So I am done for now. Okay, it's one. It's it's been already destroyed, so it's now the damage of property. Okay, it's been opened. It's for toy. It also it can be used for children to play, like this one. Okay, so these are the keyboard, keyboard buttons, rubber, attach. Okay, this is our keyboard button. This one is space, A, S, D, F, G, H, A, L, M, enter. Oh, sorry, this one is enter. This one is enter. This one is space, tab, escape, upward, downward. And these are the blueprints in the keyboard. I don't know. The socket. I don't know. Where is socket? Oh, it's been never working. So guys, I have found this one also, but didn't found the circuit and how this thing works. I will arrange some the others keyboard to check out how it will work and open it. Okay.